Group computations are essential for understanding data. We split our dataset into distinct groups based on a categorical variable. Then apply an aggregate function to each group. For example, instead of just the overall average, we can compute grouped means, like average sales per region.
Or, for grouped frequency counts, we might count customers per product category. This reveals specific insights and patterns within each subgroup, enabling powerful comparisons. In Python, the Pandas library simplifies this.
You'd use the groupby method on your data frame, specifying your grouping column, then chain it with mean for grouped averages, or size for frequency counts. This powerful approach quickly uncovers your data's segment-specific behaviors.
The provided Python code demonstrates how to perform grouped computations using the Pandas library, a powerful tool for data analysis. It begins by creating a sample data frame representing student data across different schools, subjects, and scores. This dataset serves as a practical example to illustrate grouping operations like calculating means and various types of frequency counts. The original data frame is printed first to give context to the subsequent grouped outputs. The first grouped computation calculates the average score for each school. This is achieved by using \df, groupby, school, score, mean, which first organizes the data frame rows by unique values in the school column and then applies the mean aggregation function to the score column within each group. The result is a Pandas series showing the average score for school A, B, and C respectively.
Next, the example demonstrates two forms of grouped frequency counts. The \df, groupby, school, size, method counts the total number of entries, rows, for each school, effectively showing how many records are associated with each school. Following this, df, groupby, school, subject, value underscore counts, provides a more granular frequency count, detailing how many times each specific subject appears within each school, which can reveal the distribution of subjects taught or enrolled per institution.